Andrea Cameron here, your online style maven with fashion in your life, and today I'm going to help you with how to sort your laundry. If you have been challenged with garment care, perhaps you didn't have anyone around to teach you, then this video is going to help you with the very first step, which is how to sort your laundry. So the four main categories are whites, colors, blacks, and towels. Now I'm going to break it down in a little bit more detail than that. Whites typically are whites and lights. So if you have any faded colors, light colors, they can go in there with them. And colors, you want to put all the colors of the rainbow in there, okay? All your reds, greens, yellows, blues, all of them. And then blacks and darks. So anything that's like so dark it is almost black can go with the blacks. And I typically separate out grays as well, and then I look at the piles and I'm kind of like, okay, well that color pile is a bit smaller, so I'm going to put my grays in with there, because let's be honest, like I wear a lot of black and that pile is usually pretty big. And with towels, so towels, we want to keep towels separately because we don't want all the little cottony fibers from the towels to cling and attach to the clothes that we wear every day, because that's what happens over time and it causes our clothes to pill a lot faster. So we want to keep those separate. They can be washed with linens, so especially bed sheets. And that brings me to blankets and duvets. So blankets and duvets you want to keep separate. You want to wash them on their own, mostly because they're bulky and you want to give them room in the machine to get clean, because typically we don't wash that stuff as often. And the same applies for outerwear. So if we're going and we're switching out our outerwear because the season's changing, then when we wash those before we put them into storage, which I recommend, then you want to give them their own load. You can wash outerwear together as long as they're in the same color family. One more category has to do with heavily soiled items. So if you have rags and cloths that you clean around the house with, you want to have enough of those so that you can wash them separately and you're not looking for new cloths. You want to have enough so that you can wait until there is a full load and do them on their own. So if you have found value in this video, please subscribe to my channel and feel free to share it with anybody who you think might need it. And if you have any comments or questions, please do comment below. Signing off for now, this is Andrea Cameron, your online style maven.